We propose certified online trainings for professionals who would like to complete their expertise on urban digital transformation and understand how to create value in smart and sustainable cities and projects. We read and hear a lot about smart and sustainable cities, but still this concept and how it could create value is confusing. Based on our experience, we have designed multiple courses to support learners to understand, first, the context of an urban environment, and second, how to create value in this urban environment. We have designed multiple certified online courses to support an attractive and innovative self-paced study environment. I am Professor Philippe Bouvier, founder of the Institute of Urban Value Creation. See you soon.